exactly. So number time. Is still at 38 cents. We fell below the 42. We are still quite well. So yes, again, bear with me. I know the video is still choppy and not coming through correctly, so I will be getting another computer next week to fully look over that situation. But I cannot help from coming on the live stream, giving you guys an update. Okay, you guys, I'm trying once. If it's still not coming through clear, I don't know what the hell to do because I've tried everything. But I'm seriously excited, very excited to get this new computer next week. So it'll be just some time before I can get my new computer, but just bear with me. Just bear with me, you guys. It'll be a little bit longer, a couple more days, but I should be up and running clearly by next week. So just bear with me, you guys. I know the video is not clear. It's like super choppy. It takes forever to get everything like loaded, so I'm not too sure what's going on. But if the voice is still coming through, definitely thank you for staying tuned. This is Gracey209 giving you an update for the current market. So Bitcoin is actually still down. Bitcoin has not recaptured $40,000. It is still having a very hard time pushing its way up to 40,000. I think the music is coming through. There we go. Is it coming through? Here we go. Last time I could like barely hear the music. I don't even know where the microphone is. But anyways, you guys, it's so hard. I have never. This is such torture. Yeah, Doge Democracy, my stream has crashed. Thank you so much for joining me, Doge Democracy. Yeah, my stream definitely needs some work. It needs a lot of work. So next week I will be looking over exactly what the issue is. But yes, my stream has crashed. Doge Democracy, thank you so much for pointing that out. I will be trying my best to get it back up and running correctly. Shout out to DogeCoin, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me this lovely Friday evening. It's going to be next week. So next week I am going to order another computer. So just be patient with me. I do apologize for the stream not coming through correctly. So let's check back the market. DogeCoin, we have recaptured 38 cents. We were right below 38 cents at 37, and that was because of Bitcoin. But yeah, Bitcoin is looking a little bit better, right above 37,600 for Bitcoin, and it's not too bad. I mean, a lot of the coins in the market are still in the red, but it's not, too detrimental to the whole overall stability of the cryptocurrency markets. But yeah, DogeCoin, last time we were trying to stream together, you remember it took me like nearly 2 hours just to get it up and running for some reason. So I'm not exactly sure why. It's so choppy and just like not coming through. I might try downloading a different streaming software. I think the other one you said was Streamlabs or something. So I might be just trying a different streaming platform, but I am going to get a new computer next week. But I'm still very excited to be here with everyone. The FUD from Elon Musk, we just have to try and ignore it. The card is coming up. I'm pretty upset with that. I wonder if it's YouTube or well, it is coming through ever so slightly. DogeCoin isn't doing too bad. We are still above 38 cents, holding quite steady above 38 cents. Bitcoin is still having its day at 37,500. Still excited to see Bitcoin capture $40,000. But it's just going to take a little bit more time and a lot more money. So hopefully Elon Musk doesn't, oh my goodness, these fireworks are so scary. Like, they're super loud. And I think it's like a bomb going off because it's just so loud. And it's not even the 4th of July, so I don't know why they're lighting fireworks. Anyway, hopefully we don't have too much FUD from Elon Musk and his tweets coming out again, because it seems as though when Elon Musk tweets, like, everything just crashes. Everything just goes straight back down every time he spits a few words out of his mouth, which just isn't right. But even with Elon Musk giving out all that FUD, Bitcoin is still at $37,000. So if it was really a detriment, of him tweeting and saying something, Bitcoin would have been well below, $35,000 easily. But Bitcoin has not dropped below $35,000. It's still very possible for Bitcoin to. I'm not baking on it happening, but it still can happen. Because Elon Musk he likes bringing the crypto markets down for some reason, and having small-time investors literally lose out on like the majority of their investment, because we don't have millions of dollars put into the market. So it's pretty hard when you see the crypto markets in red. It's something to go through. And I know all of you who have had your diamond hands through the mess, you should be very excited for pushing through. It's an art to have diamond hands, and you really have to learn that art. But once you do, it's pretty easy, just moving through the crypto markets with these short-term dips that we do have. But looks like I am trying to come through clearly now after a full hour of discrepancy and streaming. So, thank you guys all for joining me this lovely Friday evening. So, the good news was Vitalik saying that he loves DogeCoin, which is some very, very good news for DogeCoin. I hope that Vitalik, actually does something with Dogecoin. Maybe he integrates it with Ethereum. So it's not so it doesn't become centralized. I think that was one of the things he was talking about, is that it's very possible for Dogecoin to become centralized, and we do not want centralized currencies. We want decentralized currencies so we can control our finances and not have anyone else, controlling our money. That is the point of cryptocurrency, is to control your assets, to have control of your assets. And it's very empowering to have control of your assets. You may think you have control of your money, but whilst the government is printing money like crazy, you do not have control over that. So creating a new system that actually gives the power, back to the people, it's definitely going to take off from here. I'm very excited to see where DogeCoin will be. Okay, is it coming through? Oh my god. I tell you, it's definitely hit and miss with this computer. Like, it'll either come through or it will not come through. So, bear with me. Next week, I will be getting a whole new computer. Yes, I will be getting a computer just to live stream, as I love coming on, giving you guys an update for the crypto markets, if it actually comes through and you can watch it. But yeah, next week, definitely stay tuned. I will be getting another computer so I can live stream correctly. Yeah, Jay is definitely in and out, so it'll come in and the video will stop and then it'll come back in. So if I cut off again, I do apologize. I will be trying well, not trying. Next week I am getting a brand new computer, so it should be a lot better next week. It should be a really fun week next week because you'll actually be able to see me, and I won't have any technical problems with the computer any longer. So thank you for joining me, Jay. It's so good to have you here. You are so faithful to Cali Crypto 209. There has been no other viewer that is as faithful as you are. Like, I'm so happy to have you on my live stream. Bitcoin is looking a little bit better at 37,006. Still having a pretty hard time below 38,000. But it should be pretty fun seeing Bitcoin make it back up to 38,000 probably tonight. The crypto markets do move through the weekend, but sometimes we actually do get corrections over the weekend. So hopefully Bitcoin does not have a correction through the weekend. But if it does, just be very wary of prices dropping. So if Bitcoin is falling, then that means that DogeCoin might be falling right behind Bitcoin. All the other cryptos follow what Bitcoin is doing. So you have to keep that in mind. But it is good news from Vitalik. Jay says Joe's about to gotcha. Yeah, it's gonna come. I can just feel it. I can feel it in my bones that Dogecoin is going to pump like a lot. It might be pumping bigger than Kim Kardashian's fake butt. So hopefully it pumps out, bigger than that, which is pretty big. So we'd be very happy to see Dogecoin pumping up to the moon, as we love the crypto markets. We are in the crypto markets for a financial protest against the current monetary system. Do you remember that? We are not in cryptocurrency to, just get a quick buck. You can make a lot of money in the crypto markets, but I see cryptocurrency and Dogecoin specifically as a way to gain financial freedom. So, yeah, you can make a lot of money, but I see it more in the aspect of I can become financially successful through cryptocurrency, utilizing it to my advantage. But yeah, I'm happy things are a little bit more clear now, and I'm not waiting 20 minutes just to get back on. So Dogecoin is at 38.5. We were having a little bit of that selling pressure at 37, but just think about it. Like, Dogecoin is at 38 cents. I have been following Dogecoin ever since we were at 5 cents for Dogecoin. Yes, 5 cents. If you were, well, Jay, you might actually remember back when I was making videos for Dogecoin at 5 cents. So if you were invested back then, Jay, I'm sure you are still very happy with your portfolio in the moment. With these short-term corrections, it's not anything that is too detrimental to us because we have been in crypto for, a long amount of time. I myself am going on 6 months. I didn't think I would get the 6-month milestone so quickly, but I am knocking on a little over 6 months that I've been invested in cryptocurrency. So I'm very excited to see where we are going the next 6 months from now. Next. I'm sure you're proud to tell your friends you wrong. You might as well be here together. If I could change the past, I would run. But now I'm living in my me back when you get the chance. We like these hard, but not this difficult. Not this hard. Maybe a little softer. Alright, not sure if it's coming through finally, or if it's not. Whatever. Happy to be here on a lovely Friday evening. Next week should be a lot more eventful. I always overthink because I don't think I'm over you still. Never lost hope because I have hope. Yeah, I'm hoping we heal. You can't give you what I gave you, and nobody will. I have an emptiness in my heart that you only can feel. You're 1,000 miles away, and babe, it honestly kills. I miss your laugh, I miss you pat down, I'm behind the wheel. But I don't even know. I don't even know where you are. Okay, I think I'm going to leave the video again. Please bear with me. This computer is just really getting my head. Next week is when I'm getting my new computer again. So not only did I get one computer, but I have to cut another computer next week. I really wonder how much of this live stream is actually going to come through, because like streaming and like 20 minutes of the video came through. Not even 20 minutes. It was like 18 minutes of the video actually came through. I'm not sure why it's not displaying correctly, but I'm happy. So DogeCoin. Let's see where we're at for DogeCoin in this moment. Well, Bitcoin is still at 37.5, which is good. Let me see this chart here. Well, the mass adoption for Doge is definitely happening. I was still so excited with seeing Coinbase list DogeCoin. I did not phone in on Coinbase. I have so much DogeCoin already. I definitely did not need any more DogeCoin on other platforms. So the majority of my DogeCoin is still with Robinhood. Yes, it's still with Robinhood, only because when I initially purchased last year, I bought it on Robinhood. And I didn't know about wallets and everything, with cryptocurrency. So you do have to have your wallet to be able to withdraw it from the exchange. And I bought off Robinhood, and it's still on there because I can't take my Dogecoin off, and I don't want to sell them because it's Dogecoin. Like, why would I sell my Dogecoin? So I'm really just waiting until Robinhood can get those wallets implemented, so then I can withdraw my cryptocurrency from the Robinhood exchange. And yes, I do think it is true. Robinhood, they do kind of rob you from, not actually giving you your cryptocurrency. But I'm not too concerned about that because I do have the rest of my Dogecoin on Binance.us, which is a pretty good platform. I do the platform quite well. Okay, so if the video is still frozen or not coming through correctly, yes, that is something I am looking over. I will be correcting that next week, so bear with me. Thank you again to all my new subscribers. You guys have brought me very far, kept me motivated, through the days, through the nights. I am still motivated to make videos about DogeCoin. I have been streaming for quite some time, so I am a little bit tired. Not that tired, because I did take a nap earlier, but I'm up with the market open, so I am like always tired. But okay, the markets are looking good. DogeCoin at 38.52. Bitcoin is at $37,500. Ethereum is above $2,700, trying to push through 2,800. Ethereum is still having a pretty hard time getting over 3,000. So I am pretty excited to see Ethereum topple that $3,000 mark. I was steadily purchasing Ethereum around 1,800, I think it was. We were at 1,800 to 1,900. And then when we had the correction back down, I bought more Ethereum as well. So I'm pretty bullish on Ethereum. I'm still bullish on Cardano. I do like my Cardano. Pretty nice price movements with Cardano, and they have a lot of the circulating supply of Cardano is staked in. I think it's over 70% of the circulating supply for Cardano is staked into the protocol. So that definitely helps the price action, because there's not a lot to go around, for everyone to be trading and whatnot. I think the chart is still through. I am holding Polygon Matic as well. I'm so happy I bought Polygon Matic at 30 cents. I do not think Polygon Matic will be making it back to 30 cents anytime soon. Crypto investors will definitely hop on Polygon Matic if it falls. I probably would dollar cost average into Polygon Matic if we did fall below $1. That is kind of messing with my risk management, but I'm not too concerned about losing a little bit of capital investing into the crypto markets. So you do have to be wary of the price falling for your cryptocurrency. That does often as we do have those corrections and stuff. That looks a little better. Yeah, I've been trying all day to get us somewhat of a good live stream up and running. But if the voice is coming through, that's good. I'm happy that at least the audio is coming through, and the video is not coming through, but if the audio is coming through, then that's, really what matters. So still very good news from the Talib. Besides the FUD from Elon Musk, but you are going to get that. You are going to get FUD from a lot of different sources. I didn't think that it would actually be Elon Musk because, Elon Musk is supposed to support DogeCoin. He's supposed to support the cryptocurrency market, not drop them down to recent low levels that we were at. we want billionaire investors to push the prices up, not only by buying and purchasing cryptocurrency, but talking nicely about cryptocurrency is very important. It does help the price actions move upwards and get us out of this wedge that we currently are for Bitcoin. So I do see Bitcoin recapturing, I was going to say 60,000. Yes, 60,000, but I am pretty sure that Bitcoin will recapture $50,000 quite soon. That is a steep $12,000 increase from the current price that Bitcoin is at. But I was steadily purchasing Bitcoin at $20,000, and I did not stop purchasing Bitcoin all the way up to $60,000. I was purchasing at 58,000, 55,000, just accumulating as much Bitcoin as I possibly could, because there is a finite supply of Bitcoin. There's only ever going to be so much Bitcoin in circulation. So you want to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you possibly can. Yes, you want to accumulate DogeCoin too, but there is much more of a large circulating supply for DogeCoin. So it's going to be a bit harder. So still no data coming through. I was trying to end it out correctly. All right. If you do not have your tickets for DogeCoin, it is not too late to get on the DogeCoin train. We are still taking off from here. We're going to hit very high price values in the next few weeks to few months. So definitely stay tuned for Gracey209. I will be coming on for another live stream on Monday. And yes, most likely Wednesday, I will have a new computer. So thank you guys so much for joining me. And I will be seeing you all very, very soon.